Welcome to Platinum Car Centre. If you're in the market for your next quality used car, book an appointment and come visit us today. With an average of 10 new cars arriving each week, we highly recommend following us on our social channels to stay up to date with our latest stock. We have cars for everyone, and we specialise in 7-seater vehicles. Test drives are welcome on all our cars, and you'll be fully covered under our trade insurance. As we continue to grow, we're excited to now operate across 2 locations. Our main site remains on Ham Drive in Plymouth, right next to the Cherry Tree Pub, less than a mile from the A38 Manadon turnoff, and just over 2 miles from Plymouth train station. This is where most customers begin their journey with us. And due to increasing demand, we've recently opened a second site in Plympton, located at 35 to 37 Market Road. This new location is strictly appointment only, giving customers a more private, personalised experience when viewing specific vehicles. All our vehicles come with a 3-month warranty, with the option to extend it to up to 2 years for complete peace of mind. We also offer finance solutions for nearly every scenario, from super prime lenders offering the best rates on the market to specialist options for those with poor credit who may have been declined elsewhere. You can visit our website and complete a finance form in under a minute to receive a quick quote. We're proud sponsorship partners of Argyle, supporting their journey and sharing the passion with our customers. To avoid disappointment, please call ahead to book your test drive. We look forward to meeting you.